good day, Miss Sarah.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sarah May Lapitan, 28 years old. I have a live-in partner with 3 kids, ages 8, 5, and 3 years old.
Where do you live?
Proxies, Poblacion, Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings, 2 sisters, and 2 brothers, and I am the youngest child in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
Vocational course, HRM Hotel and Restaurant Management.
And how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, thoughtful, obedient, hardworking person, and God-fearing.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family financially and save money for the future of my kids for their studies.
And who will take care of your kids when you go abroad?
My partner or parents will take good care of my kids.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
Yes ma'am, I have a work experience here in the Philippines from year 2020 until 2023 to a married couple with 2 kids, ages 10 and 8 years old. My job duties are cooking, marketing, ironing, washing clothes, and cleaning the houses.
Okay, did you finish all your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep
Yes,
late at
ma'am.
night? Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly
Yes,
person?
ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of the children in newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check if the baby diaper is dirty and I will change it. And I will check if the baby is hungry and I will feed the baby. And also, I will check the baby temperature if the baby is sick. And I will tell my employer immediately.
Okay, and what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them to play or sing a song for them.
Okay, and what will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus on my work and my employer's needs.
Okay, they have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will just send financial support, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to share room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will pay you as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have your own dogs and cats in your home?
Yes, ma'am. I have 1 dog and 1 cat in our home.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In my left hand, my right hand, and my chest part.
Okay. Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No need, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation or any serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under any special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give a short message for your future employer to hire you.
Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Sarah May Lapitan. Please choose me to be your housemaid. I am a hardworking person, thoughtful, and obedient. I will treat your family as my own family, and I will follow all your instructions. And please choose me. Thank you, and God bless.